Hi everyone, I will show you in this tutorial how to return index, the largest number in the table array. First of all, we read the lines. We call the class scanner. New scanner system dot in. We need for loop int e equal 0, e less than, for example, the length of the table is 4, e int read the lines, for example, number equal in next int. So we need to declare table int. This is the table for input the number, int 4. After that, declare a pointer equal 0, and we declare also the max equal 0. After that, we put each number in the table. Table e equal number here. We test if max less than table e index. We put this number in variable max, and we fix the pointer in index. After that, we output the result. It's easy, and we put the pointer. We execute the program. We put the first number, for example 2, 4, 1 and 5. The result is 3. Here we have all table start with 0 index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the largest number in the table is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3. The index is 3. We run, for example, 5, 1, 4, 2. So we find the largest number in the index 0, 5. Thank you for watching.